Luluto po ako ngayon ng squid. Then, I will put now the dito. Ay, yo. Then, I will put the tomato. I will put the bell pepper, oyster, sugar, saka chili paste. Then, I will put now the squid. I will put the little, what is that? Now it's done. Turn off. Ito na po siya. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is a squid.